guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. Today I'm so excited to share these products I received from a company called Luisa, a sustainable company that believes that high quality jewelry should not cost the planet. So I definitely want to take the time to say thank you to Luisa for sending us these products to review on your behalf on today. If you're interested in any of these products that you see, you can definitely use the discount code Alecia at Home 10, which I will leave in the links below in the comments and also in the description box. I can really appreciate how each of these items came in their own individual bags that you can keep secure and out of the air, allowing them to not tarnish, and they're easy to travel with. I also appreciate how trendy these items are and that they're so up to date. I felt so feminine and dainty in them. They're super cute, you guys. So I definitely think you should check out the link in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for checking out that review. I really appreciate it. But now that we're on to the regular scheduled program, I wanted to let you know that today I'm focusing completely on me. I just wanted to wake up this morning and just refresh myself and revive myself and do something that I don't normally do, and that is to wake up, put a little makeup on, just get dressed, comb my hair, and not immediately focus on the babies. I'm so glad that they were still asleep at this point and I was able to just kind of give myself a refresher. I think a lot of times we need to do that, and I'm really going to start incorporating this into my everyday activities. Sometimes we can put ourselves last as mothers, but today I wanted to be first. I kind of forgot as a stay-at-home mother that I'm all my kids see, and I want them to see my best face forward, you guys, especially my girls. I don't want them to feel like every day is a frumpy day, so I want to give them something to look at. Now your girl is going all the way out. I mean, I'm putting on contour and eyeshadow, and I'm really just playing with this palette this morning like I'm really going somewhere, and that's okay. I'm going into today. That's all that matters, girl. Get yourself ready, get up and revive yourself, and let's hit it. So now I'm just going to freshen up these curls. I got a new product from CVS. I'll link it down below. It's called Luminate Pearls, I believe, and it just gives your hair an extra glow. And I also got some Organol, and I love the way this one smells and how nice it just brings my curls back to life. So that's what we're doing here. And you know we gotta smell good, so let's pull out the Valentino and spritz away so we can have a fantastic day. So now to set the mood of my day, I like to start my mornings off with some devotion and just lighting a candle and freshening up the air, bringing in a sense of peace into my home. I need that peace each and every day because I'm here all day with my children and they can kind of wear you out. So I want to start off with my daily devotion and just get a good word. And then I want to pray and just meditate over what I want my day to be like: peace and love, nurturing and understanding, emotional support, and stability for my children and just for my entire home. I also want to pray for being a good helpmate to my husband and being an exceptional mother to my children. These are all the things that I desire for myself, and I don't always get it right every day, but when I can start my day off like this, it just goes so much easier. So I encourage all the mothers out there to start your day with some type of prayer or meditation, and you'll see peace. You'll see some peace. Good Monday morning. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am Alecia if you are new here. You guys, just to start off the back, this weekend has been super busy and tiring. I went ahead and woke up this morning and I said, you know what? Thank you, Lord, I woke up and I got some rest last night because Saturday and Sunday I did not. Mackenzie decided to have a little bug and was vomiting all night, but I will spare you the details. Just know that your girl is feeling better and I have nursed her back to health with the help of my husband. Thank you, baby. Shout out to you because you are a real one. He tag teamed with me and stayed up and we just did it together. But this morning I said, let me get up and get myself together. So I went ahead and got some makeup on, took a bath and everything, put my hair in a little side pony, and I said, let me fix me some breakfast. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. Let's go see. So I want to take the time to thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. Stay safe, stay blessed. I see. Look how big it is. And there's some there. So what?
And this one is even though.